Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the Pocket Puzzlers Dancers. This puzzle was designed and made by Be Puzzled. Difficulty level of the Pocket Puzzlers Dancers is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit 4 out of 5 dancers onto the dance floor. This is a dance floor, these are dancers, but we have 5 of them here. How to find which 4 you have to use? The box of the puzzle will help you here. This is the box. As you can see, it looks nice and beautiful with lots of different colors. And on the back side, you will find that it says only 4 dancers can fit on the board at once. Try to solve all 5 combinations of dancers below. And there are 5 different combinations that look like different shapes, like star, triangle, heart shape, and others. And each dancer has this shape in the middle. So you have to choose the correct dancers accordingly to the guide here on the back side of the box and try to fit them inside of the frame. But it will be not as easy. As you can see, I can easily fit 2 of them into the frame. Let's see, maybe I can put them a little bit tighter. And then when you try to fit more, 3 works well, okay, but the space that is left looks too small to fit 2 more guys. Even if I try to put any one of those, as you can see, it seems like there is no possible solution for this puzzle. But the solution exists and you have to figure out the way how to solve it. You will spend quite a lot of time trying to figure out each 5 of the solutions. If you like the Dancers puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.